I hope you are well. I have been learning a lot over these past weeks and trying to go easy on myself while educating my son and being your child's teacher. I wanted to share this picture with you because I think it speaks to the demeanor of my middle school years. This is a tough time developmentally for seventh graders, and it's not easy for students to work through a device. My dad recently reminded me of my attitude in middle school and how hard it would have been to get me to submit work. And I just want to say how much I appreciate your efforts to engage your student in the learning online. I see many students showing up, breaking up complicated assignments, and helping each other in meaningful ways. Students have gotten practice emailing, asking clarifying questions, pointing out missing work, and developing skills that will help them in college and beyond. Today in class, we had some awesome actors who worked on some role playing. Students listened attentively, and we discussed how real of friends each character turned out to be. And we're going to be spending the last 5 weeks focusing on these kinds of health skills. We've already worked on many science and engineering standards, and I will continue to provide opportunities for students to submit work that shows evidence of improving in each of the practice and improving their grades. We've already addressed some of the health standards like monitoring personal stressors and assessing techniques for managing them. Your child might have asked you some questions about friendship today. This means that you are a trusted adult. Part of the health curriculum relies on them finding one or more trusted adults to be able to talk with. Below is a letter from LUSD that informs you of the content that we will cover in health class. There are many standards of health that we will be covering, and they begin on page 43 of the health standards. You can find by Googling Health Standards CDE. Some of these are located below. As we move forward with distance learning, I will continue to do my best to support your child in developing health skills. I know you are doing your best, and I hope that the engaging content will allow students to sign in on time, engage in discussion, and feel comfortable to share their learning with you. I'm always open for feedback. Please reach out to me if you have any questions, and thank you for everything that you're doing.